Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We begin our drive today on US Highway 11 northbound at Alabama mile 208. Make note of the gas station at the very beginning of the video, as we're about to cross into DeKalb County, which is a dry county. That gas station, seemingly in the middle of nowhere, is called County Line Beverages, and they're strategically located just on the Etowah County side of the line so that people of DeKalb County can cross over and buy alcohol, as evidenced by various beer logo neon signs in their windows. Business has probably slowed down for County Line Beverages in recent years, as several incorporated municipalities within DeKalb County have authorized the legal sale of alcohol within their city limits. The Alabama government established DeKalb County on January 9, 1836. This county was formed using land that was taken from the Cherokee Nation and handed over to the federal government. The county was given the name DeKalb in honor of Major General Baron Johann DeKalb, an esteemed figure who played a crucial role in the American Revolution. On April 9, 2003, a seismic event with a magnitude of 4.6 on the Richter scale occurred at the eastern border of the county. This earthquake caused widespread impact, including power outages in the affected area. The tremors were intense enough to cause mirrors and pictures to fall to the floor, foundations to crack, and even resulted in the collapse of a chimney. This earthquake was particularly unusual for the region, and its effects were felt across a significant portion of the southeastern states. The northeastern parts of Alabama, northern Georgia, and eastern Tennessee, particularly near Chattanooga, experienced strong tremors. Additionally, slight vibrations were reported in western upstate South Carolina, far west-southwestern North Carolina, southern and southeastern Kentucky, and east-northeastern Mississippi. As of the 2020 census, DeKalb County had a population of 71,813. Here we enter Collinsville, and the local name of US 11 becomes South Valley Avenue. Collinsville had a population of 2,059 as of the 2020 census. Initially, the settlement bore the name Lynchburg, named after the three brothers who were among the early settlers. In 1839, Alfred Collins, a schoolteacher, relocated to the area and established himself as a merchant and innkeeper along a stagecoach route. He gradually acquired the land where Collinsville presently exists. It was during the 1840s that the town's name was altered to Collinsville in recognition of Alfred Collins and his contributions to the community. Here, Alabama Route 68 joins US 11 in a short concurrency through the heart of Collinsville. Now, what you haven't seen is that for the last 60 miles, a pickup truck has been riding our back bumper. Throughout that distance, the road has been mostly straight with no oncoming traffic, so there have been plenty of opportunities to pass. I hadn't been driving particularly slow for most of this time, but after Collinsville, I began slowing down to prompt the driver to pass. First to 50, then to 40, then to 30. Finally, the driver got a clue and passed. I can only assume that this is an oblivious idiot that can't regulate their speed except by riding the bumper of the car in front of them. Or maybe they're trying to save gas by drafting a Honda Civic. We conclude today's video at mile marker 223. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.